We're diving into a topic that, while a bit gooey and uncomfortable, affects just about everyone at some point. We're talking about excess mucus. Yeah, I know, it's not the most glamorous subject, but it's a crucial one. Mucus plays a vital role in our bodies, trapping dirt and pathogens. But when there's too much of it, it can make us feel blocked up and miserable. So, whether it's allergy season or you're just trying to clear up that stuffy nose, understanding mucus is key to feeling better. Now, you might be thinking, how can food possibly help with mucus? Well, it turns out, what you eat can significantly affect how your body deals with mucus production. Some foods can ramp it up, while others can help calm it down, easing your symptoms and helping you breathe easier. That's right, certain foods have the power to reduce mucus buildup, and today, we're here to spill the beans, literally and figuratively. Stick around because we're about to count down the top 10 foods that can help manage mucus production. And trust me, some of these are going to surprise you. From everyday kitchen staples to some unexpected heroes, this list is packed with tasty options that not only spice up your meals, but also help keep that mucus in check. So let's get started and uncover these mucus-fighting superfoods. All right, let's get down to the nitty-gritty about mucus. You see, mucus isn't all bad. In fact, it's pretty essential. It lines our nose, throat, and sinuses, acting like a sticky trap for germs and dirt, helping to keep our respiratory system clean and our body healthy. But here's the kicker. When your body starts overproducing it, things can get uncomfortable, fast. Whether it's due to allergies, an infection, or even spicy food, too much mucus can block our airways, making it tough to breathe and generally making us feel like we're trying to breathe through a wet sponge. Now, imagine trying to look through a foggy window, and you'll have a good idea of what's happening in your stuffed-up sinuses. The excess mucus builds up and creates a perfect breeding ground for more bacteria, potentially leading to infections. It's like a party in your sinuses, and unfortunately, you're the host. This is why you might feel pressure, pain, or that constant need to sniffle or blow your nose. It's your body's way of saying, hey, let's clear out this mess. To really see what's going on, let's visualize it. Picture your nasal passages as two narrow tunnels. Normally, mucus moves through these tunnels, sweeping out the unwanted guests. But when there's too much mucus, it clogs these pathways, causing a traffic jam. You might experience headaches, face pain, and even trouble sleeping. And if you've ever had sinusitis or chronic bronchitis, you know exactly how frustrating that can be. So, managing mucus isn't just about comfort. It's about keeping these problems at bay and keeping those airways clear. Ever wondered why you feel like you need to clear your throat more often after scarfing down certain foods? Yep, it's not just your imagination. Your diet has a big-time effect on how much mucus your body churns out. It's pretty fascinating how what we eat can have such a direct impact on our body's mucus production. Some foods can trigger an increase, making you feel all clogged up, while others can help reduce the goo and keep you feeling clear. Think about the last time you indulged in a big, hearty meal, rich in dairy or deep-fried goodies. Did you notice feeling a bit more stuffed up afterward? That's because certain foods, like dairy products, are known mucus producers. They can cause your body to increase mucus production, which is why you might feel more congested after that cheese-laden pizza or those creamy desserts. It's your body's way of reacting to what it perceives as invaders, ramping up mucus to protect your internal linings. But it's not all doom and gloom. Just as some foods can make things worse, others can actually help cut down on mucus production. Foods like pineapple, which contains bromelain or turmeric with its curcumin, are natural inflammation fighters that can help reduce swelling in your nasal passages and decrease mucus production. So, by tweaking what's on your plate, you can actually help manage how much mucus your body makes. Next, we'll dive into the top foods that can help keep your sinuses clear, so stick around. All right, Brain Blitzer, let's kick off our countdown with the top 10 foods that can help you manage that mucus and breathe easier. Starting with number 10, ginger. Ginger, your go-to remedy for nausea, also packs a punch in fighting mucus. It's a powerful anti-inflammatory that helps reduce swelling in your nasal passages, cutting down on mucus production. Add freshly grated ginger to your tea or smoothies. Examples: whip up a ginger-infused chicken soup or a morning ginger lemon tea. Ginger can be strong, so start with small amounts and adjust to your taste preferences. Garlic. Not just for warding off vampires. Garlic is great for clearing up excess mucus too. Its strong anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties make it a natural choice for reducing mucus and fighting infections. Include it in your sauces, dressings, or as a seasoning for meats. Examples: roasted garlic spread on toast or garlic stir-fried veggies. To maximize its health benefits, let chopped garlic sit for 10 minutes before cooking. 8. Pineapple. This tropical fruit isn't just delicious. It's a mucus-busting superstar thanks to bromelain. Bromelain is an enzyme that helps break down mucus and reduce inflammation. Enjoy it fresh, juiced, or in your smoothies. Examples: pineapple salsa or a refreshing pineapple and mint juice. For the best enzyme benefits, eat it between meals. 7. Turmeric. This vibrant spice goes beyond coloring curries. It's a potent anti-inflammatory. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, helps reduce inflammation and mucus production. Add it to your curries, rice dishes, or even teas. Examples: turmeric latte or golden rice. Combine with black pepper to enhance absorption of curcumin. 6. Berry. Rich in antioxidants, berries are as beneficial as they are colorful. They help fight inflammation and can reduce the body's mucus production. Great as a snack, in cereals, or blended in a smoothie. Examples: blueberry oatmeal or a mixed berry smoothie. Opt for organic to avoid pesticide residues that can trigger allergies. 5. Honey. Nature's sweetener is also a natural way to soothe throats and reduce mucus. Its antibacterial properties help fight infections that often lead to increased mucus production. Stir into tea or drizzle over yogurt. Examples: honey glazed salmon or a warm honey and lemon drink before bed. Always go for raw honey to get the full benefits. 4. Peppermint. Peppermint isn't just refreshing, it's a fantastic decongestant. The menthol in peppermint soothes the throat and helps break down mucus. Brewed as a tea or added to desserts. Examples: peppermint tea or peppermint chocolate bark. Peppermint can be potent, so start with small amounts. 3. Fish, especially fatty fish like salmon. Fatty fish are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which are excellent for reducing inflammation. Omega-3s help decrease the production of inflammatory body chemicals that contribute to mucus buildup. Grilled, baked, or added to salads. Examples: grilled salmon or a tuna salad. Aim for 2 servings of fatty fish per week for the best benefits. 2. Apple cider vinegar. This pantry staple does more than just add zing to your dishes. It helps break up mucus and supports lymphatic drainage. Mix with water or olive oil to make a salad dressing. Examples: ACV drink with water and honey or use it in homemade pickles. Start with small doses to see how your body reacts. 1. Water. Yes, good old water tops our list. Staying hydrated is key to thinning mucus. Water keeps the mucus flowing and prevents it from becoming sticky and hard to expel. Drink throughout the day, not just when you're thirsty. Examples: infused waters with cucumber, lemon, or berries. Aim for 8-10 glasses a day, more if you're active or it's hot. Let's set the record straight on some popular myths and nail down some solid facts about diet and mucus. It's easy to get lost in the sea of misinformation out there, so today, we're busting myths left and right and laying down the facts to help you navigate through your dietary choices better. Let's dive in and separate the fact from the fiction. First up, one of the biggest myths out there: dairy products like milk increase mucus production. While it feels like you're getting phlegmier after that glass of milk, studies show that dairy doesn't increase mucus. It can just make it thicker, which makes you more aware of it. So if you feel stuffy after your cereal in the morning, it might not be more mucus, but rather the consistency of it that's bothering you. However, if you're sensitive to dairy or lactose intolerant, the story might be different, and cutting back could help ease your symptoms. Now, onto a big fact. Staying hydrated can help reduce mucus viscosity. Yes, that's absolutely true. Drinking plenty of fluids, especially water, helps thin the mucus, making it easier to expel. This means that keeping up with your water intake isn't just good for staying hydrated. It's also crucial for keeping that mucus manageable. And while we're setting things straight, let's debunk another myth. Spicy foods cause your body to produce more mucus. Actually, spicy foods can temporarily thin mucus and clear your sinuses. However, if you have acid reflux, spicy foods might exacerbate your symptoms. So know your body's limits. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these mucus-fighting foods do you already use in your daily meals? Were there any surprises on the list that you might want to try? Drop your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Your feedback not only helps us all learn and grow, but it also sparks great conversations in our Brain Blitz community. Before you go, if you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. It really helps us bring more great content to you. And speaking of great content, if you're interested in how lifestyle choices like smoking affect your body and mind, check out our previous video, Stop Smoking: The Impact on Your Body and Mind. It's packed with insights that could change the way you think about smoking. Thanks for watching, and remember, stay curious, stay healthy, and keep blitzing those brains.